G'day all, Chris here from Dirk Gear Australia. As you know, I've got the Ram 1500 Laramie. It's a 2019 edition. It's the ASV imported unit. So look, let me just tell you, I love the AEV heat reduction hood. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. You know, it obviously does a great job. I couldn't justify forking out that much coin for a bonnet. So I had a bit of a hunt around on eBay trying to find what I might be able to do to spice up the bonnet on the Ram. And I come across these cheap little plastic carbon fibre looking vents on eBay. I'll throw the link down below. And it just so happens that when you rip the bonnet off and flip it over, you can find these spots on the bonnet that have no structural support, and these vents fit perfectly in there. Now, I'm no sheet metal worker, and I was really scared in videoing it, so you got to put up with some stills. So some of you eagle-eyed sheet metal workers out there might put in the comments below the correct way to cut your bonnet to make these things fit. So anyhow, I snuck out to the shed the other afternoon without the missus knowing, cut up the bonnet and fitted these little plastic vents in, and I reckon they come up a treat. So if you're looking at a cheap way of dressing up the bonnet on the Ram 1500, great little way to do it. Let me know your thoughts on it and put in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching.